What's up, everybody? Thanks for checking out the channel. This week on Weekly Handy Hints for the Helpless Handyman, I'm going over grout types. A few different types of grout, so let's go over all that stuff. I typically use unsanded grout on backsplashes and stuff like that. I don't really come into unsanded grout very often in showers and floors and stuff like that because typically they're for a really skinny grout line. So like a 1/16 of an inch or less. 1/8 of an inch and larger, I use sanded grout. And the reason being is it just binds better, it holds better, it won't flake apart, and you're just supposed to use the sanded grout for larger grout lines. As far as color is concerned, I typically tell customers to choose a grout color that will match the tile as closely as possible. You spend all the money on the tile, you're not really trying to accent the grout color, you're trying to accent the tile. And designers might not always agree with that. And I've done a contrasting grout line with subway tiles and stuff like that. I personally don't like it, but it's a preference thing. It does look nice when it's done properly. A few things to consider is maintenance for future. So my biggest thing for grout is I typically use a product that has a built-in sealer, and Tech sells a product and it's called Power Grout, and I really like this product because it's sealed through and through. So when you go to clean it down the road, you don't have as much crud build up in there and stuff like that, and it's supposed to be easier to clean. If you don't use a grout that has a sealer built in, you can always come back after the fact and seal it. I use a sponge and I put it on, and the idea is you keep it all wet, and then you come back with a paper towel and you polish it clean. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Hopefully by this point you've subscribed to the channel, and if you haven't, boop, good to go.